difference between the lab and the field. They are probably the reason why I work in the field mostly. It's more exciting. No, well, the main difference I think is that you work at two different scales. And I do actually lab work as well. So I can tell you that when I'm in the lab, it's like I work blindly. I work with these pieces, little tubes and solutions and the DNA that should be in that tube and that sort of thing. But it's like a blind thing. I have to imagine what is happening and say, when I go to nature, it's very different. You just are walking there, and then a bird comes by, and the butterfly comes by, and you chase behind it, and you go and catch it if it is on your interest. So it is an exciting thing. You can have accidents too. I just recently was in Peru 2 weeks ago and fell in a hole and twisted my ankle, for instance. But that makes the work actually exciting. But what I like the most, and the reason why I ended up becoming a field biologist, is because when you are out in nature, at least for me, is when I can experience more of these scientific questions that we later translate in technical terms and addressing questions. So you are there and you catch a butterfly, and then you catch another one, and it's different, and the other one is different, and then you catch another one, and they are exactly the same. But until you have them in their hands, you see that there are tiny differences, and they might be two species, even though they look quite similar. And when you caught them, you thought they were the same thing. So all these experiences can just happen in the field.